Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on any website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Litecoin, and this much Litecoin this website paid this much users. And this website have a lot of way you can earn. First of all, click register. You can register yourself, put your username, email, password, and confirm password. You can easily register yourself. And I have already an account. Just I click login to show you how you can earn from this website, and this website link available in description. Okay, this much advertisement is available in here. First of all, I click this three dash. The first way earning is a surfing hats. Surfing has, if you watch this video, this advertisement for 50 seconds pay you this much Litecoin, and just I click view, and you can see this will be show you're not allowed to. Okay, sometimes that things pop up because you need active ads, pop-up ads. I didn't active pop-up ads because it's too annoying me. And you can watch the advertisement easily from this website. Okay, and this website pay you your coin instantly to your balance. The next way is a faucet. You can claim your faucet. Okay, go to faucet. First of all, solve this capture. Okay, sorry, this will be show another website. Have some pop-up ads. Every 1 minute pay you this much Litecoins Satoshi, and just solve this little capture. After solving, just click next and just verify and just solve this capture. Okay, is it 12 is 24? Okay, just click claim, and you can see wrong. Okay, sorry, I solved a wrong capture. You can just solve this two capture, and you can easily make your amount. Okay, I go again to solving the capture. First of all, solve the recapture. Just click next, solve this capture. Okay, and now you can see I solve it, and this website pay me my Satoshi to my balance. Okay, I go to dashboard to show you the balance available in my website. You can see this is the balance. And the next way earning is a true Litecoin contest. This will be a contest if you claim the point. Okay, you claim the point and you will be able to earn this much Litecoin if you claim every day the points, and you can claim much more Litecoin. This will be the contest every week, and this is the one of the best way from this website. And this is the pay. Just a lot of people make withdrawals. Their withdrawals, you can see this all the withdrawals. I think the minimum withdrawal is 1000 Satoshi of Litecoin, because no one make least in this withdrawal. Okay, you can see, and this website is a brand new website, and this website is a light website. You can claim your amount very easily from this website. And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. You can come to join this website, and you can earn much more amount from Litecoin from this website. Okay, and after 1 week or 2 weeks, I will be share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, and you can easily come to join this website and make your free cryptocurrency from this website. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.